Welcome to 1414 Mount Vernon Street. This freshly updated 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with luxury vinyl plank flooring inside, as well as granite countertops, updated bathrooms and kitchen, as well as a outdoor carport and workshop. It's located in the Colonial Park neighborhood near downtown Columbia. It's convenient to Prisma Health, Richland Hospital, as well as downtown amenities, Bull Street, and area interstates as well. So we're out front. You can see you have a bit of an irregular shaped lot, but it's a pretty nice sized one. You have a covered front porch, large size, on the front of the home. And you can see sort of on the right side here, kind of a driveway coming down from the front gate. And you can see there is a carport and workshop to the left there, and also a separate structure there that you may be able to put some type of vehicle or just some extra storage as well. So we'll go ahead and take a look inside. And you have a nice inlaid glass in the front door there as we enter. And you step into living room. Off the entry, you have a ceiling fan in here. And you can see back towards the front door, a couple of windows out towards the front and inside. And then you're into sort of a small hall. You have a full bathroom there on the left. We'll continue forward into the kitchen first. So you can see the kitchen is a nice size. You have sort of an eat-in dining area here, as well as all the nice built-in cabinets. And you also have sort of some bench seating beneath the window. Really nice island in the center with the center-mounted range, smooth top 5-burner range, and you have the nice venting above. And then, of course, you can see the granite countertops and white sugar style cabinets. You also have stainless steel appliances. There's a French door refrigerator. You have the dishwasher, as well as, again, the range here. And then you can just, again, see those built-ins on the other side. So off of this space, you do also have a nice laundry room, sort of a laundry mudroom space. You see a nice size. Also does have potential for some storage in here. There's a door that closes that off, and then you can access the exterior of the property from here as well. So you have some stairs that go down, and then it sort of wraps around to the backyard. And then we'll come back out to this sort of main hall here off of the kitchen. You have a nice little cubby there. It's an older home, so you have that old style sort of cubby for where a phone used to be. And you have, again, really nice updates here in the bathroom. You have the tile flooring, nice tile shower as well in the classic black and white. And you can see a nice gray vanity, and that tile does sort of continue around the entire room, so it kind of goes up high on the wall to help keep that easy to clean. And then you have another sort of central hall here off of that little space. And then from here you have your 3 bedrooms. So these are 2 secondary bedrooms on either side. And then your primary bedroom is here straight ahead. So it's on sort of the right side of the home. Nice sized room. You can see you have nice windows in here. And then you can see your ensuite bathroom and also the closet there as well. You do also have a separate way out to the outside, so another exit out to the yard space. So you can see that driveway coming off of the space there, and then also it just sort of wraps around down and goes around to the backyard. And we will take you that way, since that is sort of the best way to see the backyard from here. But you can see it's fenced off from the front, but you just see sort of this backyard space back there. There are a couple of kind of patio structure that you could take advantage of as well. Just heading back up inside. So again, you see the bathroom to our left there, and then of course the walk-in closet here, hanging space on the left side, and then you have in the bathroom some nice tile flooring. You have the single vanity and shower and tub closure in here, nice window, and then the updated vanity in gray with the white countertop. And then back through to the other side here, we have another bedroom. So you have these sort of small kind of linen closet style closets here as you enter the secondary bedrooms, and then another standard closet against that opposite wall from the window. You have a ceiling fan in here as well, so you can sort of see inside to see the size of that closet. And then directly across the hall, another bedroom with this sort of linen closet kind of right off the entry, and then the bedroom itself. And then you can see the closet there, pretty much the same as in the previous bedroom. So that does, I believe, complete our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 1414 near downtown Columbia. So you can find out more information about this home at sc.purepm.co.